Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable Google Voice Typing on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In Settings, scroll down and go to General Management. In General Management, go to Keyboard List and Default. In Keyboard List and Default, okay, you can see the Google Voice Typing. And okay guys, on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the Google Voice Typing, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up below are show, okay, after your phone restart, you need to unlock your phone before you can use this app. And okay guys, you'll have to do is select the OK button. And that's it. We have successfully enabled the Google Voice Typing on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled Google Voice Typing on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.